welcome back to our kitchen. Today I need to show you how to make spaghetti with spaghetti meat sauce. So I'll show you the ingredients of the spaghetti meat sauce. This is the fresh garlic that we need to cut into very thinly, and onions. And with my spaghetti I put fresh carrots because this is healthy, so I put carrots. So you need to cut this into very thinly cut. So this is the one, and sorry, I use the marinara for my spaghetti. So this one I need to finish this one. And ground black pepper, you need to put a little bit. It's salt, just a little bit. And Italian seasoning blend, I use this one. You just calculate all of this. And this one is Italian sausage pork. This is 1 pound, but I need to use only half of this. Ground beef, this is 1 pound. I need to use also 1/2 pound of the ground beef. And I use cornstarch for my spaghetti. For the spaghetti meat sauce, I put 1 tablespoon water later, and 1 pound of spaghetti pasta. So that is the ingredients that we need to make today. And the last is vegetable oil. Now we need to prepare the ingredients, cutting the onions, garlic, and carrots. So let's go started for preparing. Hello guys, let's start the cooking, and I will show you the ingredients that how did I cut the carrots and the onions and the garlic. So this is how thinly I cut this one. Very the slice is very thinly like this, if you can see that one. And they are the same, the sizes is very thinly, like so that it's blending to the ground pork, like the meat sauce that we are cooking. So let's go start cooking. So I need to, first is the oil. This is 2 tablespoons of oil. This is already warm, so we need to put the oil. You can, and the fire is, you need to put medium heat, just medium heat right now. The garlic. Next is the onions. And if the onions and the garlic is golden brown, we need to put the ground pork and the ground beef. So this is the one I showed you earlier, guys. So we need to put now. And we'll put like the black pepper, just a little bit. A little bit of salt. A little bit of Italian seasoning blend. we need to stir it. The salt, guys, you can just calculate on that, and the black pepper and the what else that I was putting here, like the seasoning, Italian seasoning. You can just calculate that in your taste. We need to cover this for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and then I'll come back. Let's check this one. What's happening? So that is no more water. It's just like a little bit of oil. So we need to add the carrots. And we need to add soy sauce. Soy sauce is 1 tablespoon. I'll need to put soy sauce. And then water. You need to put the water. It's a 1 cup. I put the water for because I like tender. The meat will be tender. So we'll cover this for 10 minutes. I will come back for 10 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back. I am wanting to cook the spaghetti pasta right now, and this is boiling water. So what I am doing, I put like 1 tablespoon of oil for the water for the pasta so that they will not stick together. And a pinch of salt, a little bit. So this is our pasta. This is the 1 pound of pasta that we need to cook. So what I'm doing is just like that. I did not cut the pasta. So we just cover this one, and we need to wait like 8 minutes to 10 minutes, then they will be softer, and that is the time that we need to check they are softer, and that's done. We will check our meat if already softer, like tender. We need to check. It's already 10 minutes. It's ready, guys. The carrot is already very soft, and the meat is getting tender because this is tender meat. So that's why you see they just like 15 minutes to 10 minutes the cooking on this for the meat. So what I am doing is I need to put the marinara sauce. So we need to put this all. And we need to stir a little bit again. I put a little bit of water, just 1/4 of water because they have more here in the bottom, so we need to get that. And I put the sugar. The sugar is 2 tablespoons. And the cornstarch I put in the water. So this is 1 teaspoon only for the cornstarch to make the sauce is more thickened. So let's cover for this for 5 minutes. Then we'll come back for 5 minutes. I guess we'll check our sauce, meat sauce. Yep, it's already ready. The last I need to put, okay, is the blend cheese. They have different kind of cheese that I put. This one is 1 cup of cheese that I put in my meat sauce. And you need to mix it. And I need to lower the fire. Wow, that's probably too much. Oh. Where is that? Wow, probably. So the sauce is done. It's already done. So I will show you guys the sauce. Here's the pasta, guys. This is already done. It's cooked, and I need to pour the meat sauce on the pasta. So that's it. This is already ready. The spaghetti is done. It's ready to serve. You got 2 minutes of my time.